Matsuura Machinery Corporation was founded in Japan in 1935. Today, the family business is managed by the third generation. The Matsuura name stands for fast and precise machining of various kinds of workpieces. The Parts and Service Center for North America is located in Minnesota. Matsuura Machinery relies on the Hänel Lean-Lift for compact storage of small parts. This facility ships the parts needed for the maintenance and repair of Matsuura machines in operation throughout the USA. Some 1,398 parts are stored in just one Hänel lift system. That's almost 25% of the company's parts inventory. The parts are compactly stored on the well-organized Hänel multifunction containers. Thanks to the goods-to-man principle, there is no need for employees to stoop and lift heavy items, nor is there any ladder climbing. The items requested are picked from the storage system and placed on carts, where they are packed for shipping. Right now, Matsuura employees only use the basic functions of the Hänel MP12N multifunction controller. However, Matsuura Machinery plans to connect the lift system with its IT system software in the near future to boost picking time.